Hello! In this video, we show how to invite own participants to your Instagram mockup study in RealEye. In the dashboard, find the Instagram mockup study you want to field. The study must be running, which you can check in the status column. After selecting the study, you will be redirected to the Results tab. Here you can see the number of own participants assigned to this study in the previous step: study creating and setup. You can change this limit at any time by clicking Set Participants and entering the numbers you need. Own participants, explained in this video, are testers that you recruit yourself by sharing the study link. The number of own participants depends on your purchase license. You can increase the limit anytime by purchasing more slots. Instructions on how to do that are explained in the How to Add More Participants to a Study article in the RealEye knowledge base. RealEye panelists are participants that RealEye can recruit for you so that you do not have to collect the data yourself. These panelists must be purchased and ordered separately. After updating our limits, we click Save and can see the adjusted number of participants. In the middle of the screen, there is the participation link box with the link to your study. RealEye lets you display system instructions in a selected language. We can change this by picking a language from the list. In this example, we want the instructions in English, so we can leave the default settings. Now, we just need to copy the participation link and share it with testers. That's it. Now, let's see the study from the participant's perspective. When the participant clicks the link, they see greetings and instructions in the chosen language. Before joining the eye tracking study, participants must agree to the Terms and Conditions and Privacy Policy by checking the box and clicking Next. Participants are then asked to enable camera access and are encouraged to keep their heads still throughout the study. To start, participants must fit their face inside the green frame. Once their position is set and confirmed, they can go to the next step by clicking Yes. Now, the calibration process starts. In this smartphone study, a 27-point calibration is used. Targets appear on the screen, and the participant follows each target with their eyes. The targets show up on 3 backgrounds so the system can learn eye movement in different lighting. After calibration, participants must pass a validation. Once both these steps are successfully completed, participant can start their RealEye eye tracking study. Here is the intro message that was set up in the study setup. Reading the instructions does not count toward the total study time. Participants can start whenever they are ready by clicking Start, and the study timer begins. Now, the participant can scroll through the Instagram mockup feed while their gaze is tracked. The Instagram mockup is displayed for the set duration and at this moment cannot be finished earlier. In the feed, participants can like posts by clicking the heart icon. What is unique in the Instagram mockup study type is that researchers can add call-to-action buttons to the posts they choose while setting up the study. These buttons direct participants to a specific pre-selected item within the study. For example, displaying a product image or showing a screenshot of a website. And after viewing the pop-up item, participants can return to the main feed by clicking the button at the bottom of the screen. When the study time ends, and if enabled in the study setup, a mini survey appears, asking for name, age, and gender. Please note that answering these questions is optional. The study is now finished. The outro message set in the study setup is displayed, and participant data is collected. Let's go back to the main dashboard. After refreshing the page, we see the results are immediately stored and ready for analysis. So now you know how to invite own participants to an Instagram mockup study in RealEye. In the next video, we will show how to use the analytics dashboard to analyze the collected eye tracking data. See you there! Thank you and goodbye.